specific words that are used whenever we want to talk about the possibilities. حينما نريد أن نتحدث عن الاحتمالات أو الإمكانيات. Look at the picture. Look what they are saying. Here we got something. Now I want you to focus on the structure of. ركزوا على التركيب لكل جملة قالوها هؤلاء. It might be a coin. وهنا or may be. And here could be. But here when she said no, must be. This is the first point. Do we have verbs here? No. We're talking about something. Try to guess what exactly it is.
إذن درجات الاحتمالات.
The first degree is uncertain. And the second one, certain. If you are going to make sentence in possibilities about things, use may, might, could after the subject, of course. May, might, could. If you want to make it negative, use not after these three modal verbs. This is uncertain. Then be and the noun. Maybe. Let's take an example for this structure exactly. If we want to take an example, this ring could be gold. Now we're talking about someone found a ring. This ring could be gold. Another example, it may not be gold. Look, may not be gold. May not be gold. Okay, what about the certain? ماذا إذا كنا متأكدين من الاحتمالية؟ First, use can't in negative sentences and must in positive sentences. Why we cannot use must not? Because we only use must not in prohibitions. الأشياء اللي فيها منع. Do not do something like that. You must not smoke at the hospital. You must not eat in the class. And so on. Only in prohibitions we're going to use must not. But must, we can use it with certain possibility. If you have negative certain possibility, use can't. Then be and the noun. Example, we're still in that ring. Is it gold or not? This one said could be gold and the other one may not be gold. Now I'm sure, certain, I'm sure it cannot be gold. Right, it must be copper. هذا كلها الآن regarding to things, الأشياء. Now I want you to focus on the following picture. What could have happened? Since Mary Celeste was found, many people have tried to explain
the mystery.
You know, Mary Celeste is a ship. It was found as a lost ship in the sea. No one was found in it. Let's see some possibilities. Look at this picture. Here we got monster, and that's the ship. A huge monster may have come up out of the sea and dragged all the people into the water. That's a possibility. ما الشيء الذي يتبادر إلى ذهنك من خلال الصورتين؟ Okay, now if we are going to talk about the actions, how to use the correct structure of making sentences and possibilities and expressing about the actions at all, we're going to follow the following structure. In actions, we have this table. The first thing in uncertain, may, might, could. But here we're going to use have and past participle. Let's take an example. I think a thief might have stolen this wallet. Certain or uncertain? How did you know that? I think a thief might have stolen this wallet. Let's move to the next structure. When we have certain possibility, إنما يكون لدي احتمال مؤكد related to the actions. Certain possibilities related to the actions. It's going to be like this. Use can't, as we said, in negative case. When we have negative expression, we can't use must not. We only use can't. And must in positive expression related to the possibilities. Then use have past participle. Example, about the wallet. We still in it. This cannot have happened. Can't have happened. Certain or uncertain? Certain. There is a passport in it. Certainly. Someone must have lost it. Finally, we're going to take some questions. تطبيق بأسئلة وزارية لكل ما تم أخذها الآن. The first question, choose the correct answer. Number 1, it rained last night because the roads are wet. Maybe, must have, must be, could have. Must have. Why?
have and it's certain.
Excellent.
It is certain because the roads are wet. This is certain. And we also have here past participle, rained. You can't use maybe and past participle. This structure cannot be used in such sentences. لماذا must have؟ لأن الجملة مؤكدة. كيف ثبت لنا أنها مؤكدة؟ The roads are wet. الطرق مبللة. Question number 2. I passed the exam. I don't know yet. Let's see the choices. Maybe, must have, must be, could have. Could have. Why? Past perfect. Past uncertain. هو ليس متأكد. وقال I don't know, and clap for him. Thank you very much. And we finished our lesson. By the way, do not forget